Why is it important to use high-quality materials like we provide at Car Comfort Shop? Here's the reason. In Malaysia, the temperature can reach as high as 40 degrees Celsius during daytime, and the temperature may increase another 10 or 50 degrees Celsius and go up to 50 to 100 degrees Celsius inside the car. As a result, soundproof materials must withstand high temperatures. Low-quality materials can't. The soundproof material can melt if the material isn't of good quality. In turn, this can lead to very high losses for soundproof users. The user has to deal with the material damage and the removal process. At Car Comfort Shop, we use only the best quality materials 100% sourced from Russia. The product we provide is non-toxic and certified by REACH, RoHS, SGS and ISO. In addition, our products are also tested in the laboratory to ensure effectiveness and ability to withstand high temperatures. No product we sell is imported from China because it is unstable and not durable. As the #1 soundproof service provider in Malaysia, we believe we have done more than 16,000 soundproofing cars, including sports and luxury cars. Our shop is the only one in Malaysia that offers a 5 to 10-year warranty on materials and workmanship.
Visit Car Comfort Shop for more info.